can have it if you...
Welcome to Phazerville. So this is a new series I'm calling Stolen Ornaments, where I highlight some of the lesser known artifacts, stolen code, bits of programming, computer code that I've shamelessly stolen from other developers. I stole it all. In today's video, we're covering ResetClk, which is a tool to assist with sequencers like the DFAM, where there is no reset and you can only advance the sequencer forwards. Hey, what's happening? Do you like my patch cable holder? This is the sample we're working with today.
Want it, you can get it. Let me know when you can have it if you...
It's a vocal sample that I've prepared, that I recorded in. And the way the Bitbox sequencer works in slicer mode, so it's a slicer mode pad, and slice sequence is set to forward. Every time you trigger it, it jumps to the next slice, but it can only go forward, or it can go backwards, or it can be random, but you can't reset it. It only goes forwards.
Let me know when you can have it if you want it.
So that's where this ResetClk tool comes into play. It was designed as a workaround for sequencers like the DFAM, where there's no reset. So this is an applet where you can send it a reset and it automatically sends the correct number of pulses to rotate the sequencer back around to the start. Double click the button or the help screen, and it'll tell you you send it a clock, you send it a reset on 1 and 2. The CV1 also can modulate the offset that it resets to. You can adjust the offset and it will actively advance the sequencer, or you can adjust the position that the sequencer is currently in so that it can accurately track. You can also set the spacing in milliseconds between the pulses. The minimum that seems to work is 6. Anything shorter and it doesn't quite trigger every time. So 6 milliseconds, and the pattern length for the actual DFAM, that will be 8, and the default is 8 steps. But the sequence that I have over here on the Bitbox is 16, so we're gonna set that like that, and then we're gonna patch it up. So now what? We're at 90 BPM. This should be triggering it just in a straight sequence.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me know when you can have it. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know when you can have it. If you...
But the thing is, I want it to be aligned where the want is the downbeat. So you can just kind of tweak the position until it falls where you want it. And the other thing is that you can send it a reset.
If you want it, you can get it. Let me have it. If you want it, you can have it. If you want it, you can have it. If you want it, you can have it. If you want it,
it's looping just a few of the steps.
If you want it, you can have it.
If I slow it down, it's probably easier to hear.
Want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it.
But it's
let me want it, you can get it.
It's very quickly jumping through the remaining steps to get back to the beginning. It advanced the sequence to the very last one, so the next incoming trigger on number 1 will be the first step.
Want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me
want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. Let me want it, you can get it. You want it. Want it, you can get 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 it. Get it. Let me know when get it. Let me know when you can. Let me know when you can
have it. Know when you can have it. Know when you can have it. If you want it, you can know when you can have it. If you want it, you can know when you can have it. If you get it, let me know when you can have it. If you get it, let me know when you can have it. If you get it, let me know when you can have it. If you get it, let me know when you can have it.
Now this can be used for things other than sequencing a sampler. Here I have a standard 32-step melody that was recorded into the CV recorder applet. This is the Super Mario flag theme, which also doubles as the mushroom power-up sound. And I'm using an extra long spacing on the ResetClk applet. It's set to something like 30 milliseconds to demonstrate how it sounds when you run through the sequence very quickly. So this patch demonstrates how the same melody that is used for the flag theme also sounds like the mushroom power-up sound when played very fast. So yeah, that's what I've been jamming on. It's pretty useful. And I mean, it's not perfect, but if you fiddle with the trigger length and the spacing and whatever, it should be able to work. And it's kind of neat. Like I kind of like the way it does that little buzz thing when it it's advancing the sequence back to the beginning, and it comes off as kind of like a digital tape effect, right? It's like fast forwarding a tape back to the tape loop back to the beginning. And inside a beat, when you're using this sequenced in a beat, the very first hit then, when it resets, the first hit is going to be a little late. And that's kind of okay if there's a nice punchy kick right there, because then the thing falls a little late and it gives the kick a little bit of room. And when I was jamming, it worked out pretty well that way. So anyway, I hope you found some of this useful. I hope you found some of the patch examples inspiring. Let me know which applets you want me to cover in a deep dive next time. Peace out. Like and subscribe.
You can have it if you want it. 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 You can. If it happened, you would want it. 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 If it happened.